Welcome to LilyPad Mobile. Today we will be going over the user options within LilyPad Mobile. So first we're going to go ahead and log in. And then you can see here that we have logged into the dashboard, and then at the very bottom here we're going to choose options. So this will pop up the user options. So one thing to point out beforehand is that LilyPad Mobile is grabbing whatever user rights you have set up on your Fishbowl client side. So if your user doesn't have access or rights to the sales order module, then that same user, when they log into LilyPad Mobile, they won't have access to the sales order module as well. So first we can see here at the top we have sound and a little checkbox here. So if we have that checked, then for example, if you are scanning a part barcode and it's the incorrect one for that pick, then it will have a sound when you are scanning incorrectly. If you didn't want to have sound on, then you can just turn that off. We have two options here for language. You can choose either English or Spanish. We have the number of orders to load, and you can set this to whatever number you'd like. And then we have the scan only functions down here. So if I turn on scan only, we do have a little notification right below it that says that we do recommend setting the number of orders to load up here to 0. And this will just speed up the system quite a bit since it won't be loading those orders already and you'll already just be scanning them. So below the scan only feature we have numeric keypad for quantity fields. And once I save everything, I'll show you how this is looking, but it's basically going to be a little keypad that pops up in any field where you have a quantity to enter in. And then we have display edit screen when scanning, and this basically is going to pop up that edit screen on the side when you do have the scan only function turned on. And then we have force quantity 1 for unit of measure each. So this is just forcing you to scan each item individually when you have the scan only function turned on. And this basically means that if you have a line item in a pick, let's say, for a quantity of 5, then you'll have to scan the item 5 separate times. If you didn't want to have to scan it 5 times, you can leave that off and then scan it once, and then you can change the quantity in that quantity field if you wanted to. Then we have the redirect after login. So this is per user. Again, this is under the user options. So let's say my mobile user, I always wanted to start off on the sales order module. I can do that and I can just click sales order here. If I wanted just to leave it at the dashboard, then I can just leave that blank. So when I hit save here, we can see that at the very top it says scan only on. So this bar at the very top will be visible in each module no matter which one you go into, so you always know that you have the scan only function turned on. So for the other feature that we have under the scan only, we have that little keypad that pops up. So I'm going to just type in a part here for the move function, and if I go into the quantity field, we can see here that keypad pops up and we can enter in numbers that way. So again, that is the user options, and that is it. Thanks for watching.